Embark on a captivating journey where fashion comes alive. Data and design-driven sourcing is the first crucial step of every order, creating the perfect garment considering trends and customer preferences. The journey of a garment is a long and arduous one, filled with countless hours of hard work, determination, and dedication. Efficiently using every inch of fabric. Precision and accuracy are key. A skilled craft that requires patience and attention to detail. Every piece is brought together with care and expertise. Identifying and marking each garment with care instructions and size tags. Quality control at every step of the process. Every fold, thread, and seam gets checked for perfection, creating a flawless finish. Ensuring that every garment fits perfectly. Preparing each garment with care for its final destination. Crafting your business success story, one garment at a time. When our labor and clients are happy, we are happy.